Top 10 Smartest Animals on the Earth. Humans aren't the only intelligent creatures on Earth. Research proves that animals are much smarter than most people realize. Many primates and birds are able to use tools, and plenty of mammals show advanced cognitive abilities. Even tiny insects can solve seemingly complex problems by working together. Number 10. Rat. Number 10 in our countdown of smartest animals is the rat, a highly intelligent, yet much maligned animal in Western cultures. Widely used in research, the lab rat has been known to find shortcuts, loopholes and escape routes in the laboratory experiments designed by the top scientific minds of our time. In Chinese culture, the rat is revered for its cunning and resourcefulness. And for good reason. The rat has successfully colonized every continent on Earth, except for Antarctica. And if history is any indication, they'll be there too soon enough. Number 9. Octopus. Kudos should go to the invertebrate, with the strength and skill to screw a lid off a jar. Number 9 in our list is the octopus, one of the smartest creatures in the sea. This animal is still poorly understood, but scientists are constantly discovering new and impressive octopus abilities. They play, solve problems, navigate through mazes, and have a respectable short-term memory. But how is an animal that belongs to the same class as the snail capable of such clever feats? It may be that the combination of strength, agility, curiosity, and a lot of brainpower sets the octopus apart from its soft-bodied brethren. Number 8. Pigeon. Pigeons are abundant in most major cities of North America, but most people think of them as mere pests. However, this ubiquitous bird is actually quite smart. Because pigeons have been the subjects of countless scientific experiments, there is a wealth of knowledge about their intellectual abilities. For example, pigeons can recognize hundreds of images, even after several years have passed. They can also identify themselves in a mirror, be taught to perform a sequence of movements, and to discriminate subtle differences between two objects, pretty impressive for a mere pest. Number 7. Squirrel. This animal's dogged persistence and impeccable memory have made it the nemesis of gardeners throughout its vast range. Most squirrels display an impressive array of tricks and strategies that help them survive. For starters, these clever creatures are essentially woodland animals that have adapted to living alongside humans, eating out of bird feeders, flower gardens, and whatever food might be lying around. They are also able to store and cache food for leaner times, and then find their hidden morsels many months later. They may also pretend to hide food in order to confuse potential thieves, which researchers believe shows an advanced level of cunning and intellect. Number 6. Pig. Pigs may be the smartest domestic animals in the world. Researchers have found that domestic pigs can use mirrors to find their food, and will try to deceive other pigs so that they can hog more food. Pigs also learn quickly, and can do tricks ranging from jumping through hoops to playing video games with joysticks. Number 5. Crow. Crossing the street against traffic may be called jaywalking. But jays and other members of the crow family understand better than some humans the importance of waiting for the light to change. Crows living in urban areas are known to gather nuts from trees, and then place them in the street for passing cars, to crack open the shells. Then, after waiting patiently for the light to change, they return to the street to retrieve their nutty snack, an impressive example of animal innovation. Crows also communicate in elaborate population-specific dialects, and play games and tricks on one another. Some scientists even believe that crows are more intelligent than primates. Number 4. Elephant. Elephants have a reputation for smarts. They have been observed using tools such as sticks to pick at ticks and palm fronds to swat at flies. They also have an excellent memory, hence the saying, "Elephants never forget." Elephants can recognize members of their herd, even after being separated from them for years, and can remember the locations of old water sources, if their current home experiences a drought. However, their intelligence may sometimes put them at odds with their human neighbors. As the Nature Institute points out, some farmers equip elephants with wooden bells to alert them if the animals have entered their banana groves, but young elephants have been observed stuffing their bells with mud, so that the clappers cannot ring, allowing them to eat entire banana trees unnoticed. Elephants are also extremely caring and empathetic to other members of their group, and to other species, which is considered a highly advanced form of intelligence. Number 3. Bonobo. The bonobo is a close cousin to the common chimpanzee, another famously intelligent animal. Extremely endangered, the bonobo is found only in Central Africa. Like other great apes, bonobos can learn how to use sign language and symbols. After researchers taught a bonobo, named Kanzi, how to communicate with lexicograms on a keyboard, the ape taught himself some basic sign language, just by watching videos of Coco the gorilla. Furthermore, Kanzi can cook his own food, and even outperformed a human toddler during a study of cognitive ability, when he was only 8 years old. Number 2. Dolphin. Have you ever wondered why dolphins, and other cetaceans, are the star attraction at most aquariums? It's because they're smarter than almost any other creature on the planet. Dolphins are extremely social animals. Schools of dolphins can be observed in the world's oceans surfing, racing, dolphin trade. They can recognize themselves in a mirror, and communicate with each other. Their large brain is structured for awareness and emotion, and dolphin brains are even more structurally complex than those of humans. Number 1. Chimpanzee. So able to learn sign language, to communicate with humans, and can remember the name sign for individuals they have not seen for several years. But perhaps the most amazing feature of the chimpanzee is its ability to use symbols for objects, and combine the symbols in a sequence to convey a complex idea. Such intellectual gifts are probably central to maintaining this animal's complex social groups, where they form strong bonds, and observe elaborate hierarchical structure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget us for upcoming videos.